LATEEFAH, my sister.
How many countries did you get to travel to? Where did you go?
Few cities like Milan, Tokyo.
For real?
I graduated from the Greenwich Marketing Postgraduate Program.
Hello, I'm in Paris, so I didn't still around. It's like if it's
You live in Bodilon Towers, right?
Yes. Lagos is an opportunity disguised as geography.
Welcome to the Center of Excellence, the Nigerian capital of dreams come true.
Queen Lateefah.
Lati.
No, it's just laugh. We just can't be a
Deal. If you want to drive Rolls Royce 2024, just knock on the door of Engineer Rishi.
Minute to 12. 1 minute after 12, buy you pay another 300,000.
Lateefah,
Why did you have to humiliate her like that?
is this true?
No.
Olajide, there's women and there's women. Oh. I have seen this type before. I smell a rat.
Oh, I don't like anybody rubbish my baby.
Lórí òyìnbó mẹ́ẹ̀mí, Olúwa, ọpẹ́ wa.
You make me laugh. You make me hope. Your face is the first image that hits me every time I wake up.